How to change sound output to external monitor on Mac. So all you need to do is to just make sure that your external monitor is correctly connected to your Mac, and next step is to open system settings. So we're gonna do that, and on the left we want to open sound section. Make sure to click it, and down here you can find output and input. So we are talking about output, so click output, and here should be name of your device or external monitor. So make sure to click it, and the sound gonna be changed, the output gonna be changed to your external monitor. So right now I got only MacBook here, our speakers, but if your external monitor has some sounds output, you can set it here and change it here. If you are finished, you can just close that, or later you can change MacBook Air speakers. So if you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.